Reproductive health. Reproductive health means a total well-being in all aspects of reproductive, that is physical, emotional, social and behavioral. So reproductive health meaning सगळे full total well-being पळयता with respect to the reproduction, सगळे physical, emotional, social as well as behavioral. Contraception or contraceptive methods कित्याक use करता तर to avoid pregnancy. It can be achieved by methods of contraception. There are a large number of contraceptive methods which are being developed. So हांगा तीन main दिला physical barrier, surgical method and chemical method. First, physical method. Physical method to prevent union of sperms and egg. So basically जो physical barrier जे असता those are physical entity. एक physical structure तो जो की use करता only to prevent or obstruct करपाक meeting of sperm and egg. Just a physical barrier. Like example, condoms, diaphragms, cervical caps. So हे available असा for both male आणि female. Advantages हेजे कितें तर these physical barriers are easily available, cheap असा, privacy दिता तुका specialized doctors or professionals नाका insert करपाक, easily disposable. So हे सगळे advantages तेजे physical barrier. Second method is surgical method. It is also called as sterilization. Sterilization किद्याक तर this surgical method are permanent method. Sterile करपाक. Sterile individuals meaning the individuals that cannot conceive. So तेका लागून तेका sterilization म्हणटा आणि हे जे surgical method असा sterilization method असा those are irreversible. Permanent method ते reverse back करपाक शकना. Surgical methodan भितर two method असा. Surgical method first vasectomy. Vasectomy is carried out for male individuals in which the vast difference of male is blocked to prevent sperm transfer. So हो picture पळयात. This is the testis and this is the vas difference जो की connect करता vas difference जितूतल्यान semen along with sperm travel करता during ejaculation. So what they do, vast difference एक कट घालता and they just tie it up so that spermaचे traveling block जाता and sperm cannot travel this. So by this sperms cannot come out during ejaculation. Then tubectomy. Tubectomy is carried out for female individual wherein the fallopian tubes of female is blocked to prevent egg to reach uterus. So here fallopian tube जे आसा ते कट ऑफ करता आणि दे आर टायड अप सो दॅट ओवरी जेन्ना ओवम रिलीज करता तो इन युट्रस पावपाक शकना आणि ऑल्सो जेन्ना कॉप्युलेशन जाता सीमन जे आसा इट कॅनॉट ट्रॅव्हल ओवर हियर आणि नो फर्टिलायझेशन. थर्ड वन इज कॉपर टी और लूप टी. इट इज प्लेस्ड इन युट्रस टू प्रिव्हेंट प्रेग्नन्सी. सो लूप टी जी आसा युजेज ऑफ लूप टी इज रिव्हर्सिबल. सो जेन्ना तुका अवॉइड करपाक जाय प्रेग्नन्सी यू कॅन यूज लूप टी बट जेन नाव यू आर रेडी टू कन्सीव यू कॅन रिमूव दिस लूप टी. सो दिस loop T is reversible. Loop T or copper T can be reversed back. आणि हे जे surgical method असा you require professionals or specialized doctors only surgical method carry out करपाक. Then chemical method. Chemical method oral contraceptives. Oral contraceptive changes the hormonal balance to check the egg release in females. Oral contraceptive causes the side effects. So oral contraceptives are easily available in the market. आणि हे किती करता oral contraceptives तर हे hormonal imbalance करता. For ovulation टायमार जायना because of the hormonal imbalance or if fertilization जाले जाल्यार hormonal imbalance करता to make the uterus unfavorable. जो uterusan जो environment असता unfavorable करपाक for implantation or after copulation semen एकदा की enter जाले into vagina there are some contraceptives by using that you can kill off the sperm. After you taking these contraceptives because of some hormonal imbalance जातले आणि because of this hormonal imbalance the environment may become unsuitable for the sperms and sperms will die off. So no fertilization again. Sexually transmitted diseases STDs. Sexually transmitted diseases are of two types. First is viral STDs and second is bacterial STDs. Viral STDs are the ones which are caused by virus. So viral sexually transmitted जे diseases असता they are caused by viruses. Example HIV, AIDS, what HIV human immunodeficiency virus, AIDS acquired immunodeficiency virus. Bacterial sexually transmitted diseases जे असता, it is caused by bacteria. Example syphilis and gonorrhea. So sexually transmitted diseases जे असता, they are caused during unsafe sexual contact. So समज एक individual असा जो की already infected असा by this sexually transmitted disease म्हटल्यार ते individual झाला, that person is suffering from any one type of this disease आणि समज unsafe sex केले तेने with his or her partner, then that partner have very high chances of getting this disease because these diseases are transmitted by sexual intercourse. So it is very much essential to maintain your personal hygiene mainly with respect to the reproductive tract and to have a safe sexual contact. Avoid sexual contact with multiple partners and always use precautions to lead a healthy reproductive life. Thank you.